Welcome to assetman, a simple asset management system. First one has to log in, then select asset management. It loads up the schema, and now we're ready to search. We're going to search for serial number 123. And it brings up Maggot. Here's the portable URL that you can click from anywhere to get into this from, say, Request Tracker. You can click on the changelog to see a list of all changes that have been made to this object. Now we're going to cancel out and go to list all machines that live in the physics building that are owned by engineering. We'll put a star for a wildcard. And there are 11. We can use the drop-down menu to select from these choices of machines, or we can use the previous or next button to switch between them. Here we'll change the date, a purchase date, and we'll save our changes. Now we'll get the comma-separated value list, which we can load into a spreadsheet. And we see that all 11 machines in the physics building from engineering are listed there. Note that all the grayed out entries are read-only entries from ONA and from info blocks, and the bottom ones are read-write entries that one can change. Now we're going to do some software management. We say Autodesk, then AutoCAD. We give a star because there's going to be variable variations, and then we just pick search. And it turns all the results, but we'll notice that some of them don't have a version number. So let's say where version is less than no for no version, using the ASCII search. And then we get the correct number of installed versions of AutoCAD. We can do CSV output. We can do greater than, less than, or equal, and wildcard stars in any field. Sometimes you want to save the same value to multiple records, such as all the computers in the room. We'll look at the Lever Lab, for example. And here we set the values that we want for all of the records. Then we click Multisave to save to multiple records. And it gives a list of all the records that will be updated. We uncheck any checkboxes we don't want clicked and pick Save, and it saves to all of them. Now we're going to look at documentation. We go to the Assets hardware, enter the name of a machine, and just to get more fields to search on, we'll press Search. And now we can press Docs, and it will search on all those fields that we just found about the asset, including its serial number, its purchase order, or whatever. And we see that there's two pieces of documentation. One is this one PDF file, which we can save. And we can look at in its PDF viewing application. Going back to the document viewing place, we can press New to add a new piece of documentation. We'll select one or more fields that's pertinent to this documentation, and then enter the name of a file. And then it's just a matter of pressing the Upload, or we'll press the Cancel because we don't want to save this. Going back to the main screen, we can pick among specialized queries, such as assets with no inventory information, which are obviously new machines that need to be added. Here there's 17,000 on campus. We can also list all devices where the warranty will expire. And here there's only one, and its expiration is within a few days.